So this is a bit of a funny word. Used as an adverb, 尽量 means to do something as much as possible, or to try one's best to do something. The pronunciation can be a bit tricky. Technically, the correct pronunciation is 尽量 with the third tone, but so many people pronounce it incorrectly as 尽量 with the fourth tone that 尽量 has become an acceptable pronunciation. My advice is, if you're preparing for a test, don't get this wrong, use 尽量. And if you're using this in everyday language, then both pronunciations are acceptable. I'll be writing the pinyin as 尽量, but you'll probably hear me say it the incorrect way as 尽量. Going into an example, we have 尽量少吃甜的. Notice that since 尽量 is an adverb, we put it before a verb to say to try to do that verb as much as you can. In this case, our verb phrase is 少吃甜的, eat fewer sweets. So 尽量少吃甜的 means try to eat fewer sweets as much as you can, or maybe more naturally, try not to eat so many sweets as much as you can. Or we can use the try your best definition. Try your best to eat fewer sweets, or try your best to not eat so many sweets. So let's look at some more examples. 我现在尽量待在家里。我现在尽量待在家里。我尽量多喝水。我尽量多喝水。你以后尽量少跟他说年龄。你以后尽量少跟他说年龄。哥哥在准备考试。尽量不要打扰他。哥哥在准备考试，尽量不要打扰他。蛋糕对身体不好，所以我尽量不吃。蛋糕对身体不好，所以我尽量不吃。